What a beautiful day! Oh my god.
We're at the beach. No, it's at the beach.
I didn't even know. Hey, hey.
It's kind of windy now.
Today's a good day. We've been having a good day. We haven't been arguing. That's a good thing.
Not a lot.
Not a lot, but not like other times. But it's a really nice day.
We got my little towels. It's a Victoria's Secret one. It was free with my purchase. And then his is a special towel. Let's take a look at the beach one. And then, can we switch it the other way? No, we can't. What? Can they see it? The John Hancock?
Right.
We went shopping. Well, I did.
Look at the little birdie.
There's so many birds. But anyways. Yeah. We're at the beach. Just chilling. Waiting to go home. There's nothing to do at home.
No, there's things to do at home, but she doesn't want to go.
There's nothing to do at home. So we're just killing some time here.